Oh,
Well,
shit.
well, well. I told you I'd come back, Clem.
Let him go.
Who is this?
He's a part of the tribe. Just let him go.
Is this the one that killed one of my men?
No.
He was a good dude. Probably better than he should have been rolling with me.
Just let him go. He's not a part of this.
This the one that Rubio mentioned with the cute name?
What cute name?
Bird or something?
His name is Tilapia Jose.
That's a mouthful.
Well, he's native. What do you expect? Let him go. He's not a part of this.
Neither was my friend. He didn't need
Okay,
to
but
die.
he didn't do it.
There's a whole lot of you here. I'll be back.